Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you already know, the LayerEdge allocation checker is live now. If you still haven't checked it out, then in this video I'll show you how to check your allocation and withdraw tokens to an exchange. First, you can check this Telegram post which I provided in the description. Click that link and you'll land on this page. Simply click here, enter. Then you need to connect your wallet. I'll select MetaMask and click connect. Then click next. Here you can see your total allocation and eligibility. Now click next. Then click claim on CEX. Here you can withdraw your tokens to these following exchanges. The process is the same for all exchanges. So here I'll choose KuCoin for withdrawing. You need to enter the address. So go back to your KuCoin account, click deposit. Then in the search bar, type agent and select it. Click here. And you'll find your deposit address. Copy this address and paste it here. Now you need to copy your UID, which you can find on your profile. Copy that code and paste it here. After that, click claim. Now then confirm and scroll down to agree the terms. Then click accept and confirm. You'll soon get your tokens on the exchange. And when it launches, you can sell them there. If you want all the latest airdrops and crypto updates, you can join our Telegram channel. In the pin message, you'll find all the airdrops we're personally farming. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.